Okay, next topic. So the difference between ref and out keywords in C sharp. Ref and out keywords, you can call them as the same topic as different type of parameters for a function. Normally for parameters there will be three type of parameters will be there. One is in parameter, that means these will be used as input for the function. Out, where you can pass output from the parameters, and in out, the same variable can be used as for input and output. Okay, so by default whenever you are creating a function, so these will be input parameters. So output parameters, now we are going to discuss about this. In out parameter can be referred by the using this ref keyword. So let's see this program clearly. So it will deal with this particular ref and out keywords. Suppose if there is a static void and some function, the same. Don't mind of taking the same example again and again, so that it can easily understand you. That's the reason I am taking this example. So here, so we have static method, so that I can directly call sum of 10 comma some value, so it will get executed. Normally if you see this sum function, these two need to be written like this in int x, in int y, that means input integer x, input integer y. This is what actually we need to write, but nowadays we are making it in a short form like without this in keyword. That means you should understand, when there is no specific keyword, that variable will be treated as for reading the input for the program, for reading input for the function also. So coming to this out keyword, so additionally you can make a variable like this int z. So instead of printing it here, let's pass some z is equal to x plus y. That's it. You are simply loading value into the z variable, and here you are going to use a keyword out. That means, so these two are will be used for input. The output will be passed from this variable int z. At such case, what you will do here, int result equal to, otherwise let's initialize with 0. So here we are going to pass the third value as with out keyword as a result. That means, so the sum of this 10 and 26 will be stored in the variable called result. So after that you can print that result on the screen. So you will get 36 as it is. So this kind of method implementations are called calling by values. So calling by values. So now we are going to see calling by references. So reference in the sense, let's take the same static void increment, static void increment. So here we have int I. So here we are incrementing this I plus plus. Here let's add a keyword called ref. That means the same variable will be used to take input for this. The same variable will be used to pass output from this also. That is what the purpose of ref keyword. So such kind of implementations can be done like this. So int some I is equal to 15. So whenever I want to call that method, increment of ref I, increment of ref, wherever there is ref keyword you have to use that ref also. Now in the console write line, if I print I, so the 15 will be passed to this increment method. By I plus plus it will become 16. Again the value will be stored in this I, so I will become 16 here. That is what the ref keyword. So this is what the difference between ref and out keywords. Out will be used for passing the value through the parameters. Ref will be used for same value can be used for taking the input. Same value will be you will be used to pass the output also. So this is what the difference between ref and out keywords. I hope it is clear to everyone. Thank you.